What's up guys, hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm Jonathan, back with a new video, and today we are just on one objective only, and it's to try the $20 special by Island Bowls in Princeton. Go subscribe, share this video, right? Show us IslandBowlstt on this collab. Let me see, where's he see? Alright guys, so we have reached the Island Bowls, and right now we are just going to show you what the $20 special is. There we go. Right here we have the nice, lovely $20 special. Now there's a twist to everything, right? So here we go. I like chicken burger. But I kind of watching the carbs now, right? So Island Bowls have a special just for $20 with the burger alone, right? Now looking over here, we have the beef burger, which is properly seasoned and textured. Good fries. You can get that for 25. Yeah, just 25. Now, moving on. There are wings here. You can either sauce wings or you can get plain fried wings, right? Now here we go. The sauce wings, only $25. Only $25. You can believe that? Watch how nice that looking now for 25. I can believe this. Come on, man. Honey garlic wings here. I go and take the chicken. You go hit the beef. So what you say? Let me go. There we go. So guys, I tell you, you can't go home and wait so long to eat and eat this right now on this. So again, piece to piece. Show us the Island Bowl. We'll go check them out. Are you ready for it? What does it say? This is a real bad. Check out right. So you try the beef. That's all I must have very real bit. One time. So you hungry? This food looking there already, right? Guys, so quick note. I ain't gonna lie, this is real good. It's not nothing I could say more than seeing the food real amazing. I think that out of 10, I rate this a full 10. Big man thing. A full 10. Right? Now this chicken burger is only 20, right? Only $20. Watch my face. Here what we are now. You move on to your beef, I go in and finish this, right? Go ahead.
Some fresh season beef. Watch that. Watch that, take a look. Check them out. Best ingredient. Chestnut.
Only $25. Only.
All I can say is wow. Wow. Actually, I'm going to try the wings. The wings are looking good already. I can see it. Watch our wings now.
Big man thing, I find they should open a venue every corner of the place.
I think I don't mind coming here every day and buy this. I really don't mind. Because The money worth it? I need to move on to my wings soon. I grab it soon.
I empty my box and look. Right guys, so now we're gonna move on to the nice wings that we have here. So Micah, you started now. Started the wings. So you see what you see? Look, I want a piece for you. Look, a piece of. Grab it,
Only $25, right? But they have a money. You can take one. Wings dipped in honey sauce.
Well, that's good.
Which one you feel have?
All.
Alright, can't choose one. I can't see enough now either. I can't see enough.
Have a nice balance towards the sweetness and the seasoning of the wings.
Jika kara.
I'm sucking the bone with.
It's only right. It's only right. It's only right. Now I want to be salad because I should do.
I don't see no of that sound. That sound so long. You see this, eh? Fellas, Trinidadians, come on, man. Well, I know this is a real thing, though. Eh? We don't show this. Everything. Up to the gelatin off of the bone. You understand? Watch out, you see this? We don't wipe this, though. We just lick this. Finger licking good at Island Bowls. So now we're gonna move on to the regular fries and wings, which is for 20, as you can see. So yeah, wait for. Cheers on the top. You ready? Up top.
At Island Bowls.
Let me get an next portion of the wings there.
Who make this right? Who make this right? Hey, are you paying too much for it? This? Come and check them out right now.
For $20 now?
I got some. Is it closing time? Closing time, please. Is it closing time?
What time are you closing again? 9:30.
I'll come before that. But I'll come now before coffee time.
Send Gary. Yeah, send Gary.
Gary nothing.
Gary nothing, eh? I found him Gary though. How much you rate this all out there? Be honest. Nah, be real. Like, be real serious though. How much you rate?
10.99.
10.9? That you? It's 100. When I realized it, to get these food for $20 though, don't get a plus though. Let me tell you why. We're real close to the top, right in Lotians, right? Right in Lotians. And on top of it is walking distance. Hey, I sure all you know which part the Anglican church is though. Right? So 5 minutes walk. For this goodness, these nice goodies. Come on. Come on, man.
Can't get better.
You want nothing better than that? Nothing, I tell you. You want nothing better than that? You know? I tell you definitely, brother. On our overall, for the burger and the wings, 10 out of 10. Especially for the price though, 10 out of 10. I know I tell you.
But I'll stop supporting KFC and come and support our local brand.
Can't call KFC in the KFC don't have this kind of style though.
Right,
they're
that's
not
why
even
support the
in the
local brand.
league. Not even in the league. You
I'll
understand?
support the local brand.
Shouts to the fries too. Right guys, so that's a wrap of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out IslandBowlstt. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow them on all social medias. And check out the $20 special. Here with me. When they come, tell them Johnny sent you. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just